Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can change your Snapchat age. So at first go to Snapchat and then go to this profile icon and then go to settings. From there scroll down until it says I need help. Then click on birthday. From there click on yes. Then say I need help with the Snapchat feature and then settings and then changing my birthday. And then click on yes again and then put your username, which will automatically be done, and in the description just paste this: hey team Snapchat, I'm not able to change my Snapchat birthday, which I made a mistake of when opening my account, and I have tried changing but passed my trial limit. Please help me resolve this issue, because that's the reason why I'm sending you this complaint. I'll be waiting for your reply. Thanks. And then once you click on send, it is going to review your account within the next 24 hours, and then you need to check your email for the update that they send you, and then you can finally change your birthday. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.